Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here to open a package that I just received from the United States. This was sent by a friend on the Kaweco Collectors and Users group on Facebook, and it has Kaweco Sports inside. So let's open it. I will use my blue Victorinox Pioneer from 2020 to match the blue color of the pen. And so let's open these. And I'm just cutting these open. I don't care much. So, done the unboxing. And the pens are here. Let's take them out. And here I have one of those. And here I have the other one. So we have here the Kaweco Sport transparent classic blue, which is a special edition from Goldspot. I don't know if you can see. One has gold trim and the other one has silver trim. So I would say, if we think it in the classic terms of Kaweco, this will be a Kaweco Skyline Sport and this will be a Classic Sport. So both are transparent and come with these boxes. So this is an exclusive edition for the store Goldspot. There was a special edition last year for this store, which was also a transparent pen, and it was this one. This is the turquoise, transparent turquoise, which is a transparent version also of the Kaweco Sport, but this one has no gold spot engraving. But now Kaweco is getting the logos of the brands engraved when the pen is commissioned by a brand. So this is it. One has the silver colored trim, the other the gold colored trim. Both came in F because that's what I asked. I have to say that I was lucky. This was not caught in the costumes, as usually pens that I get from outside the EU, they usually get text, and I'm just going to grab an extra light and show you a little these pens in a little more detail. Okay, I guess this will do it. Now let me just show you. So these two pens, they are the same, so I don't really need to show both. But I want to show you that these are transparent, which is something that you do not see immediately, but now I have a little light here that is pointing upward, and I think you can see now the pen is transparent. Both the barrel, which has a cartridge inside, the section, and let me change my position here to show you better. So you can see it is transparent, and the cap is also completely transparent. The extra light makes it more difficult to focus, but I'm trying. So you may ask, how does this new pen compares with previous transparent blue Kaweco pens? First, we have these turquoise from Goldspot, which is more on the greenish side because it is a turquoise. And we have also the Ice Sport Blue, which is discontinued now, which is a little bit lighter. And I have this very rare Microsoft edition from the year 2000, also very rare to find. Now let me show you. I would say that the Ice Sport has the same color as the Microsoft. This one is really much more green, and these ones are darker. And I think the best way to show them is now allowing the light, allowing the light to go through them. That one no longer has the logo because it is so used that it rubbed off. Okay, now let me pick them this way and let the light go beneath them. So you can see all of them are transparent, but the Microsoft and the Ice Sport Blue are much lighter. This one is darker, the Goldspot, so you cannot really see so many details. This one is also fully transparent, including the section. Let me now just show you. Let me take all of them. Let me show you the caps alone to better see the translucency, I don't know if that is a word, of all the pens. Let me put these like this. And so you can see that the Goldspot, no, I think this is the better angle. You will see that, oops, this is a stupid thing to do. So, as I was telling you, you can really see that the Goldspot pen is darker than the Ice Sport. This is the Goldspot and this is the Goldspot. And this is the Microsoft version and this is the Ice Sport. So that's what I had to show you. They are of different shades, even if you don't have that extra light hitting the pens, you can see that they are different shades of blue. I would say this more like kind of a royal blue, and this one is, I'm not sure. No, again, the cap is falling down. So this is enough let me stop before I ruin all the pens by letting the parts fall down. And this is it. So an interesting release. I think in the future we'll see more of those, because Kaweco announced that they will stop making country or distributor exclusive pens, and they will just make their own pens, not distributor restricted. So you will not have only Portuguese, Spanish or whatever pens, but you'll have pens that are commissioned by a brand. So these may happen in the future, and my guess is because there will no longer be country specific pens, there will be more store specific pens. So I think we'll see more of this kind in the future. So this is a nice thing. This is my third Goldspot Kaweco, and this is all I had to show. I hope you liked it. I think it's better to make a video about all the Kaweco Sport releases of 2020. I did one for 2019. I think it's an idea to do it for 2020. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like Kaweco as much as I do, don't forget to join the Facebook group of Kaweco collectors and users. I will leave the link below so you can ask to join the group. So, see you next video. Bye.